25 meters snorkeling. Inhale and face down. Good. Nice. Nice kicks. Going. Very good. Relax your arm. Very good. Keep going. Nice movement. Ayan. Ayan. So, that is snorkeling. 25 meters with fins. Yan, first niya i-attempt tong 25 meters and maganda yung kanyang progress. And stand up. Nice. Yan. Very good. So pati yung pagtayo very good. We are here at Bermosa Sports Hub.